This is how we get connected in Erasmus experience. All the bodies feel the warm. And there is more people who wants to connect. Like, who's next now? Okay. Yeah, come on, join! Try it, try me!
Sorry.
Oh, you...
Sorry.
What's going on? Oh my god. That's 9th floor.
We are still going up.
Oh my god, man.
Okay.
Calm the fuck down, people. What the hell?
No.
Where are you going?
Home we will go. Okay.
Where are you going? Oh, okay.
Wait a second.
Hey, let her exit. Oh my god, people. Close that door.
Yes.
What the fucking panic for nothing. Come. Oh, another Turkish babe.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, we're recording for the vlog. I'm trying to start the video, but look at the elevator, man. It doesn't stop.
Best part of the video, elevator.
Yeah, this is fun. What the fuck? I should record all the floors going. Next floor, bang, stop. Next floor, stop.
What happened?
Wait.
Come a bit.
We tried it too many times, now try again.
There we go. Just go down already, for fuck's sake.
Oh, it's auto service.
And we are at the 11th floor.
No. Kids.
Okay, maybe it's a good idea to go out.
Yeah, I think so.
What's
I
here?
think it's better. Yeah, service.
What is going on?
Fuck.
Steps, man. Oh my god.
The capacity was very big, so we broke it, unfortunately. There was too big capacity. Maybe let's take the stairs. Oh my god. Bro, the technicians are gonna have a lot of work to do. We fucked up here. We really fucked up, but it's okay. Ay. Oh my god. Almost broke my neck. Oh my god. Oh man. Look at those people. I'm getting all sweaty already. It just doesn't stop, man. This is the 2nd floor. Come on. We still have more. Let's go. 1st floor. I think this is the last. Fuck him, finally. Oh my god. The hell? Are they still working though? I don't think so, they're working, are they?
No, they're working.
But they are not moving.
Just close to the hotel.
Oh wait, I think there were people inside, so they exit now. Okay, the right one is working.
Yeah, sorry.
Great. -2. Someone from -3.
Come on.
Oh.
We can't go back.
Out of service.
No, I'm not going to go back there. No, thank you. Nah. This one. Come on, baby.
No.
Make it happen. Oh yeah. I think we should wait for them first.
I think
So we don't broke this elevator again. We should wait.
No, it's too much people.
Yeah. Well, she went away.
4 boys.
Yeah, she like the boys, baby.
Are you YouTuber?
Huh?
Are you YouTuber or?
Yeah, YouTube.
Really?
I will give you the link after.
Okay.
So you can see yourself, the beauty of yourself, yeah? In 4K camera. Yeah. Come on, man, what the fuck? We didn't press, so now it's going up again. What is here, man? Just out of my curiosity. What the fuck? Bro, come on, what the fuck is going on? Maybe this one now. This should fucking come.
7.
No, this one maybe is gonna come.
I really didn't understand. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's out of service. But
Marina lights up.
Welcome. You climbed down for nothing. We have to take the elevator now.
Oh shit. No.
Oh, okay. Wait, the door is working actually? What the hell? You guys tried the door, what the fuck? You cannot pull a door or something? So we are behind, I think. Yeah, it's behind. Look at this kite. Fucking hell.
Είμαστε, ρε παιδιά, είμαστε σε floor.
Ωραία, πάμε από εδώ.
Στο restaurant.
Where the hell are people taking me? Oh, back at restaurant, let's serve breakfast now. No, we have to take the elevator. Where are you going? What the fuck is going on here?
Wow, you're like mafia. Oh my god.
What do you mean by that?
You're like the king of mafia.
I don't know what's that, but yeah, maybe.
It means like we have some respect for you.
Oh, okay, I like that. I like that. Right, too many. Too much kilograms, see?
Okay.
We have to go down. A few of us?
No, girl.
No, okay, no. Oh my god, so sorry.
it's fine, I'm gonna see you downstairs.
Yeah, see you downstairs. I'm so sorry for that.
Because of the program.
Yeah, we cannot beat too many people. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 200. No, 750 kilograms. I already have 100 kilograms, so. All right, let's go. We can meet with the team finally.